Okie dokie. Here's another Christmas breakfast for you. Christmas French toast. All right, first things first. 4 large eggs, followed by a half a cup of milk, a tablespoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 pinches of cinnamon. Also, you will need some butter and my personal favorite for French toast is, of course, Texas toast. All right, so basically, you just want to give this a whisk, and we'll be ready to start battering our bread. Okie dokie. Time to cook the bread. How you basically batter this is obviously, put one side of the bread in the batter, flip it over, get the other side battered, and put it on a decently hot grill. And then cook until both sides are done. It should just be a couple of minutes per side, to be brutally honest. And then, pull it off when they're golden brown. Okay, but we're not quite done yet. As your French toast cooks, you need to make a rum, orange, and banana syrup. I guess that's the best way to put it. All right. So basically, you got 2 tablespoons of butter melted. You have 2 bananas sliced. 2 tablespoons of sugar, followed by 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of course, rum. And then you want to cook, obviously, until the alcohol is cooked out, and this mixture is kind of reduced, and the bananas have started to caramelize. It'll take somewhere between 3 and 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, and as you can see, have my French toast all arranged on the plate. And then just going to pour over some of the bananas. And that's it. Christmas French toast. Done.